In the quiet corners of forests, abandoned cabins, and dusty storage rooms, a hidden danger waits silently. This is the story of the mysterious and dangerous virus known as Hantavirus. Scientists first identified hantaviruses decades ago, after unexplained outbreaks of severe illness appeared in different parts of the world. Patients suffered high fever, crushing fatigue, and terrifying breathing problems. Doctors searched desperately for answers, until they discovered the source was not human-to-human transmission in most cases, but infected rodents. Deer mice, rats, and voles became the focus of intense investigation. These animals often carry the virus without appearing sick themselves. Their saliva, urine, and droppings can contain dangerous viral particles capable of infecting humans. Infection usually begins silently. A person sweeps an old attic, opens a long-abandoned cabin, or cleans a dusty warehouse. Tiny, contaminated particles rise into the air. One breath can be enough to allow the virus to enter the lungs. At first, the illness resembles the flu: fever, muscle pain, headaches, exhaustion. But within days, symptoms can become terrifyingly severe. In some patients, fluid rapidly fills the lungs. Breathing becomes difficult. Oxygen levels collapse. Doctors called this condition hantavirus pulmonary syndrome, a medical emergency with a high fatality rate if untreated. Different hantaviruses affect different regions of the world. Researchers study rodent populations, climate conditions, and environmental changes that increase human exposure. Every outbreak becomes a race against time. Fortunately, prevention is possible. Experts recommend sealing homes, removing rodent food sources, and disinfecting contaminated areas carefully instead of sweeping dry dust into the air. Awareness can save lives. Survivors describe the illness as sudden and terrifying. Families affected by hantavirus outbreaks often remember how quickly an ordinary day turned into a medical crisis. Yet many cases could have been prevented with simple precautions. Hantavirus remains rare, but deadly. A reminder that some of nature's greatest dangers are the ones we cannot see, hidden in silence, waiting in dust, and carried by creatures we often overlook.
Uncovering what others ignore.